Hello friends, welcome to my channel Radhu's Food Court and Vlogs. Today I am going to show you how to make very quick and easy biryani recipe in pressure cooker within 5 minutes. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or any vegetable oil which you like. Heat it. You can put the vegetables whatever you like. I have taken cauliflower, beans, carrots, onion and green peas. I am using frozen green peas. You can even use fresh one. Just stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add required salt. Now it's time to add our biryani masala powder. I am using pure biryani masala powder. You can add the biryani masala powder and mix it well with vegetables. I have added a bit of ginger here for enhanced taste. That's completely optional. If you want it make spicy, you can add green chilies also at this stage. Now we'll add the required water. So what I have taken is here I am using the normal cooking rice. So for me it works with 1:3 ratio. So I have taken like that ratio water. So if you are using basmati rice, you can adjust the water level accordingly. Normally it is 1:2 for basmati rice. So I have washed and kept it separately rice. So we'll mix everything together. That's it guys. If you like the biryani color to be yellowish, you can add turmeric powder also. So basically it is just rice, biryani powder, salt, turmeric powder and the required vegetables along with hot water. So that works really very well and a quick lunch or dinner recipe. Even bachelors can try this. It came out very good and tasty. You can pair it along with the raita and enjoy your lunch or dinner. After adding the water, you can adjust the salt. If required, you can add it. I have kept it for 2 whistles. My biryani is ready. By the time so check it out guys, how nice it came out. It's very easy and nutritious too, loaded with lots of vegetables. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. See you in the next recipe. Till then, take care, like, subscribe and watch my channel. Bye bye.